Hello everyone and welcome back to this another tutorial. My name is Gurpreet Singh and in this video we are going to learn how to add chatbot on your website, and we are going to cover tawk.to chatbot in this tutorial. Now if you haven't heard of tawk.to before, it's 100% free chatbot and you can easily install it on your website. It has a lot of great features. Let's have a quick overview of tawk.to chatbot features. First is monitoring website visitors in real time. This is one of the features that I personally like, and it's again free to use. You can track all the visitors who is visiting your website. You can see which pages they are visiting and how much time they're spending on the website. So you can use this data to improve your marketing and your landing pages. You can also message your customers or guest visitors in their native language. Also, you can interact with your guest users through your mobile phone. Yes, that's true. You can install their app and connect it with your website, and you can directly see who is visiting your website and send them free messages. Now let's see how to add it on the website. For that, click on sign up free and it will give you a form. Just enter your name and email ID and click on sign up for free. Now here it will ask you for your language selection. So click on create property, enter your site name. I'm going to add it on my website, which is a demo preview, and enter the website URL. In the place of website name, you can enter or type anything, and here type the widget name and click on add member. If you want to add your team member who can also interact with your website visitors, you can add the email ID and send them the invitation. If you want to give them the access of entire dashboard, you can make them admin, or if you want them to have limited options, you can set them as agent and click on install widget. Now here you will see a JavaScript code or some other options to install this widget on your website. We will cover this in a moment and click on done. Now let's see how to add chatbot on your website. Go to your Wordpress website and sign in as an admin. Enter username, password, and click on login. If you're using IELTS LMS, you can install this chatbot on all the plans, including basic, growth, and unlimited plan. So let's see how to add it on the site. Now, if I want to add it on the home page, you can click on Edit with Elementor, and you can embed the HTML code here. So for that, go to your chatbot dashboard and click on setting action, this administration icon. Here click on chat widget and you will find this widget code. Click on copy to clipboard. In the Elementor page, search for HTML widget, drag the HTML widget anywhere you want and enter the code and click on publish. So here you can see our chatbot is already working on this website. Now here you can see our chatbot is active on the website. It has subject, message, and option to start the conversation. Now if you want to change the color and the theme of the chatbot, that is possible. For that, again, be on the same page and here you can change the appearance. If you want the color to be blue, you can just choose the color code and it will be saved automatically. Now if you refresh the page, here you can see our theme has been changed to blue. If you want to change the text of the widget, there are three components. First is heading, then is the subheading, and third are the sections which a user can click on. So if you want to change the text, go to the widget setting and click on edit content. And here we can edit the heading and the text area. So if you want to write here, hello students, I can simply click on a pencil icon and rename it or type my message here. So I'm going to type hello students here. So it will show students a message to students when they open the website and click on update. If you go to the website again and refresh, so here you can see we have a different message now, which says hello students. Also, if you are away and you're not available, you can add a different heading. You can enter other details or other instructions. If you're offline, it will show user a form. They can submit a form and then you can get back to them. So it's a great option to generate a lead. Most of the time you might not be available, you might be in class, If you are a individual trainer and you are handling all the operations, this form can be pretty useful, and you can easily contact them through their email and the phone number. If you want to add more fields, if you want to add their phone number, you can also edit the form and you can click on add phone number and you can drag the order. You can keep phone number on the top. If you want to make it mandatory, you can click on this star icon and then update. Also, if you want to make the form mandatory for everyone, even if you're online offline, you can enable pre-chat form, and here in this option click on form. So what we are doing, we are making a pre-chat widget. So I want to add a form for a visitor who will click on the chatbot. I would want to ask them for their name, email, and their phone number. There are some other fields that you can customize and then click on save. So once all the settings are done, automatically everything will be applied on your website. So now let's see how your visitors will interact with you as a guest user. So I'm going to click on start conversation. So this is the pre-built form. So here you can see I have sent a message to the website, and in our dashboard we can see that someone has sent us a message. I can join the chat as the chat support and I can send them the message. So here I have received a reply. You do not need laptop to reply your visitors. You can install application of tawk.to on your phone and you will get the notification when someone visit your website or someone will send you the message. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.